Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to reset or recover Gmail account password. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your Gmail account password if you have forgotten your old password. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I will be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, we shall be looking at how you can for the first method, we shall be looking at how to change your password if you have forgotten your old password. So if you have access to your Gmail account and you have forgotten your old password, you can still change it without the old password. So with the first method, open your Gmail account and click on your profile at the top right corner. Now once you click on that, click on Google account over here, and once you click on Google account, it's gonna take you to this place. So scroll to where you can see security, and once you click on security, scroll to where you can see password. Now once you click on password, it will be demanding for your fingerprint or your phone lock. So click on password and then provide your fingerprint. Now once you enter your fingerprint over here, you can see it is asking for a new password. So just enter a new password. So enter a new password, and then you can see confirm new password. So confirm the new password. So enter the password over here, and then confirm the password. Now once you are done with this, click on change password over here, and once you click on change password, you can change your password without you can change your Gmail account password without providing the old password. So if you have forgotten your old password, with this method you can change your password. All you need to do is to provide your fingerprint or your phone lock. Now for the second method to recover your Gmail account, you can open your Chrome over here, and once you open Chrome, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Once you click on that, click on settings over here, click on settings. So click on settings over here, and once you click on settings, you can see manage password. Click on manage password, and you can see all your saved password over here. So once you click on manage password, just wait as it is loading, and you can see all your saved password over here. So if your Gmail account password is here, just click on it, and once you click on it, same way it will be demanding for your fingerprint over here. So just provide your fingerprint, and once you provide your fingerprint over here, it's gonna take you to this place, and you can see your password over here. So click on the I button over here, and once you click on the I option over here, you can see your forgotten password, or you can copy it over here. So with this you can recover your password over here. So if your Gmail account password is saved over here, once you click on the Gmail account, you can see your password over here and then recover it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new